This is the last horizontal development you can acquire here in Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. If you've been eyeing this area for quite some time, for your lot-only investment, or di kaya you are thinking to retire here or to build your future dream home here in Solen Residences, this is your last chance. So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the Solen Phase 1C and Phase 1D extension, no? And we have a pre-selling lot, so perfect na perfect to if you are someone looking for an investment lot because we are in a flexible terms. And na kinaganda pa dito, pwede mo siyang i-bank loan, no? And if ever na gusto mo magpatayo ng future retirement home mo, hindi ka rin naman ganun ka nagmamadali, maybe this video is for you. So yun guys, no, before we proceed to the exact location kung saan nga ba makikita yung Phase 1C and Phase 1D, let's talk first about this model houses. So nakikita nyo sa likod ko, it's Lian and Raya. So dito sa Raya, kaya ko siya gustong i-showcase sa inyo, no, because some of you guys, maaaring nadala ko na dito or may idea na, baka napanood nyo yung house tour natin dito, no, pero yung iba kasi guys, wala pa silang idea. So maganda na maipakita ko to kasi it's newly renovated, kaya naman maganda rin yung loob nito and syempre, mas maganda to dun sa mga viewers natin or if you're someone eyeing Solen for quite some time tapos wala kang idea ano ba yung pwede mong i-build sa 150 square meter, then this specific house and lot na itutur ko sa inyo later, ito mismo yung idea na pwede nyong gayahin. But again, in terms of facade naman guys, as long as it's modern Asian tropical, approve naman yan dito sa Solen. And add ko lang din, no guys, may bago tayong model house facade na pwede mong itayo sa Phase 1C and Phase 1D. That's very exciting guys. All the same vibe pero mag-iiba yung bawat character, no, dahil sa bagong design ng model house natin. So ngayon, tara, let's have a quick tour, no. So pagpunta nyo dito guys, ito yung pinaka-facade ng property. Again, it's modern Asian tropical. And then dito, meron kang 2 carport. Tapos hindi tayo naglalagay ng fence dito sa Solen Residences, no, kasi hindi rin naman nila ina-allow. Pero very well secured naman yung village and 24/7 may roving guards naman tayo. Okay? So ito yung ating model house. Ito yung specific house na pwede mong itayo sa 150 square meter. So yung mga sukat na yon is yun yung makikita nyo later sa Phase 1C and Phase 1D. So tara. So pagpasok mo dito guys, you will be welcomed by your wooden door dito. So ito naman guys, again, before, medyo luman-luman yung design nitong model house na tayo. Kaya ngayon maganda, newly renovated siya. So parang nagkaroon ng different vibe. Mas naging updated yung ibang materials, gamit. So guys, no, remind ko lang, Solen Residences of Greenfield City is a lot-only project. And yung makikita nyo dito sa model house, yung mga hindi nyo gusto, pwede nyo hindi gawin kapag kayo ay nagpatayo ng bahay. And yung magugustuhan nyo naman, pwede nyo siyang i-retain. The goal of this quick house tour is to give you an idea, especially dun sa mga viewers natin na hindi pa alam or walang idea ano ba yung itsura ng bahay sa isang 150 square meter. So pagpasok mo dito guys, again, it's newly renovated. So kilalang kilala si Greenfield bilang open layout ang kanilang mga model design. Even yung mga existing na bahay dito, may kita nyo yan sa ating mga YouTube video guys. Abangan nyo, may bago tayong upload dyan na 25 million. Singit ko na lang din, no? For sure, kapag na-release na to is naka-upload na rin yung ating video na yun. So, yun guys, abangan nyo yung house tour na yun. Maganda rin yun, yung bahay na yun kasi malapit lang siya dito sa clubhouse and may sarili siyang swimming pool. Yan, nag-commercial pa tayo, no? But, again, Solen Residences o itong model house nila is kilala bilang open layout and high ceiling. Kaya naman dito, sa kanilang living area is high ceiling, no? So, paikot yan dyan. And ito naman yung magiging television area mo. So, dito ka pwede mag-entertainment area or something. And then dito yung living. And then dito yung dining. So, kung makikita nyo, open layout siya. So, perfect na perfect siya if you are a person who wants gathering or who loves gathering. Gusto mo invite lagi yung family mo. Perfect na perfect yung layout na ganito. And dito sa bandang to, living, dining, ito naman yung inyong magiging kitchen. So, sobrang simple lang din naman nung design niya. May countertop dito, cabinets, and then range hood, tapos ating mga lutuan nandito na rin, ng stove, refrigerator, and then dito may view ka nung inyong carport, yung mismong labas ng bahay nyo. So ngayon, akit naman tayo guys. But before tayo umakit pala, no, meron tayo ditong powder room sa ilalim ng hagdan natin, which is usually, yan talaga yung mga location ng powder room natin. So, akit naman tayo, puntahan natin yung mga beds. So ayun guys, no, nandito na tayo ngayon sa second floor natin ng model house na ito. Again, gusto ko i-remind kayo guys, kung ano man yung makita nyo maganda dito sa model house, pwede nyo i-retain. And kung ano naman yung hindi nyo nagustuhan, since this is a lot-only project, pwede kayong mag-design interior freely on your own. And then sa facade naman, kung may question kayo, as long as it's modern Asian tropical, approve po yan kay Solen. And ito naman, may hallway dito guys, pagkakit mo ng second floor. And this is the first bedroom. So pagpasok mo dito sa first bedroom guys, yung size niya is not that big, pero ideal na siya sa ating mga kids. Okay? So dito may part ka kung saan pwede maglagay ka ng painting, may wooden cabinet. Then in terms of ventilation, ayan guys, sa mga bahay naman natin dito is hindi naman nakadikit sa kabilang bahay. So ito, yung ventilation mo dito, maximize na maximize. And since it is a high ceiling guys, itong model house na to, may space dito para makatanaw ka sa baba. Kung saan, mas na-maximize mo yung high ceiling nitong bahay. And then, ito naman yung ating common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Okay? Let's proceed to the another room guys. Ito naman yung ating another room na dinesign for our babies. In case lang guys na gusto mo may allotted na space para sa baby mo. O di kaya, pwede mong gawing play area. Pwede sila dito, aircon mo lang, di ba? At least, dito pwede silang magkalat ng mga laruan nila. Which is, dito sa model house na to, ito yung design na ginawa. Naglagay sila ng crib. And yun nga, yung idea niya is for kids. Ngayon naman, punta tayo dito sa ating master's bedroom. And since this is a master's bedroom, syempre nandito ang ating ensuite toilet and bath. So guys, ayan, spacious din naman yung ating toilet and bath. Maganda. Tapos may sink, toilet, and then shower area. Naka-glass partition na rin bago yung glass na yun. Wala yun dati. So, pagpasok mo, this is your bed area. And ang gusto ko nga dito sa Solen, no, yung bahay mo, pwede mong i-maximize with the balcony. Kagaya na lang dito sa model house na to. Dito, meron kang access papunta sa balcony. That's another side of your property. And then, dyan din yung daan, papunta dito sa front, no? May balcony ka pa dyan. So, maganda yung may ganito kang space, tas malapit lang siya sa master bedroom mo, no? Kasi, in case pagising mo sa umaga, o di kaya bago ka matulog, pwede ka dito magstay. Yun naman yung isa sa akin na ganda dito sa Solen Residences because all of houses dito sa area is almost ganito yung layout. Again, this is just a model house. If you have a preferences about the interior or di kaya isa kang interior designer, may idea ka, no? Pwede mo magamit yung ideas na yan dito sa Solen Residences because you can design your own dito sa interior freely, no? Walang ano diyan, wala naman tayong requirements. Yung sa facade lang, as long as it's modern Asian tropical, approve yan kay Solen Residences. So ngayon, baba naman tayo. And that's it for our house tour guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung ating quick house tour dito sa ating newly renovated na model house. Located dito sa existing phases ng Solen Residences. And ngayon naman, punta tayo ng Phase 1C and Phase 1D, no guys? And before tayo pumunta ng Phase 1C and Phase 1D guys, let me remind you guys, Solen Residences is a lot-only project. So, yung design sa loob, yung interior, you can design it on your own, no, freely. And then sa facade, meron lang tayong Modern Asian Tropical theme na sinusunod, no? In terms of Modern Asian Tropical, para mas madali nyo magets, ito yung mga earth tone colors. And yung mga materials, depende na sa inyo. As long as sumusunod sa theme, okay yun, no? And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung ating tour dito sa ating newly renovated na model house. And also, na-mention ko nga kanina, no, we have a new model houses na design na pwede nyo ipatayo sa Phase 1C and Phase 1D. And if you've been thinking this area to be your next future retirement dream home or di kaya ay lot-only investment, this is your last chance. Ang sunod na development na nila dito, no, is puro condominium na or vertical development. So if you want to feel the vibe here in Greenfield City or you want to see those available lots na pwede mong makonsider, please contact us on the numbers flashing on the screen. It is 639-6960-20739. Again, it is 639-6960-20739. It has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan na abroad. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you want to know more about Greenfield City alone, I uploaded the video. I'll share the link in the description, no? And thank you so much guys for still supporting our YouTube channel. It means a lot. See you on my next one.